I'm Dr. Erica Lee, and I'm a psychologist on the outpatient psychiatry service at Boston Children's Hospital. And today, I'm going to be answering your questions about going back to school.
Hi, I'm Sophie, and I'm in 10th grade. I'm going to a vocational school, and the only times I'm going to school in person are 2 days every other week for shop. And my shop has the same 20 kids as last year. So my question is, how can I meet new people and make friends if I'm only seeing the same 20 kids from shop? Thanks.
A lot of teens are craving social interaction right now, and when it seems like everyone else is on social media, it can definitely feel harder to connect. So a few ideas come to mind for me, Sophie. The first is, are there ways for you to try to meet other people who share your interests? So for example, if you like to do things like write or play music, are there interest groups you could join online? Or is your local community center or library hosting teen programs? Or maybe you could create something new in your community and invite other people to join. I know teens have started things like movie clubs, cooking groups, and even put together virtual bands and fashion shows during the pandemic. A second idea I have is to try to expand your current group of friends. So, for example, you could organize an online or socially distanced hangout where each of your friends invites someone else who's not in the class to come and then introduces them to the group. A third idea, Sophie, is to think about friends you might have lost touch with over the years. So, for example, is there an old friend from camp or someone from your old neighborhood that you might like to reconnect with right now? And then lastly, I've also been telling teenagers to think about causes or organizations that you can support. So for example, would you be interested as volunteering as a tutor, connecting with senior citizens during the pandemic, participating in social justice initiatives, or something else? Volunteering can feel meaningful and also help us connect not only with people in our own community, but also with the broader world.